It's Friday, Friday, gotta get down on Friday. Everybody's ready for the weekend. You guys remember that song? I think it was Rebecca Black, her one-hit wonder. Hey guys, what's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope everybody's doing well. We're gonna go over from Bitcoin, currently sitting at 21,601, down 1.4 on the day. Seeing a market cap of 411 billion, 24-hour volume 35.2 billion. Let's hop into the charts. So we're looking at a ABCDE, but as you can see, we're continuing to chip chop sideways. So now what I'm looking at here is a Wxyxz corrective pattern. We just got rejected. So if we come down and we start to break these lows, that's when we could come down for a wave 5. As you can see, we started to break down. We shot right back up. So basically what's happening here is your whales are liquidating the short positions, grabbing that liquidity, and now the price is coming back down. As you can see, we had a large spike in volume here. Liquidate the shorts. People start to go long. Boom, comes back down, stops out the long positions. That's trading for you guys. That's mostly why I swing trade and give myself room, because as a day trader, as a short time frame trader, those kind of candles are super annoying. So so that's what I'm looking at, a potential Wxyxz to complete the wave 4 and then seeing a wave 5 to the downside. Now if you're new to Elliott Wave, as I always mention, there's some incredible videos here on YouTube that I can explain everything beautifully. Everything I've learned about trading, I've learned for free off YouTube, so don't go paying someone unless you want to. I don't think it's necessary. So let's look at our next chart here, which is on the 4-hour time frame. So if we do come down in a wave 5, I am looking at a potential bearish scenario, that we see a wave 2 pullback, and then we see continuation down for a larger wave 3, as I've been mentioning in the videos here. We do have a bear flag pattern. Currently we have started to break. Look at this wick, guys. That's a lot of bearish pressure on the 4-hour. So you can see here, we broke down out of the bear flag. So people start going short. Boom, they push the price back up, liquidate all those short positions. People start to go long. Boom, the price comes back down, stops out the longs, liquidates the longs. And then, we wait for the next move, basically. But as you can see with this long wick here, that's strong bearish pressure pushing the price right back down. This 4-hour candle obviously hasn't closed yet, so we'll have to see what happens. But basically what we're seeing here on the 4-hour is a break, and now we've had a retest. Even though we had this long wick, depending on where the candle closes, if it closes below this level of support, a retest can give you a higher likelihood of price coming down from this bear flag. But I really don't trust patterns. As you can see, we're in a bear market and we're in a downtrend, so bullish patterns are more likely to be invalidated. But we broke out of this bull flag. If I take a measurement here of this bull flag, take it to your point of breakout, you can see we came nowhere close to the technical target. So I'm not a big patterns trader. I prefer to trade levels, horizontal levels, and Elliott Wave. But enough about me, back into the analysis. So if we do come down and start to lose these lows, potentially what we'll see here is a wave 5, and I'll give you a target zone. Take your trend-based fib extension from the top of wave 2 to the bottom of wave 3 up to the top of wave 4. If this were to be the top of the wave 4, then you're looking for a 618 extension, which is right here. So we'll drop in a little box for a wave 5 at about 20,016 for BTC for a potential wave 5 to the downside. If we come down and we break this low and it validates this as a 1-2, and we'd have to look at a different bullish setup, but personally it's not looking too good for the bulls unless we come up and bounce from this level. I think if we come down and lose this level of support, there's a strong likelihood you're going to come all the way down to about 19K to retest these levels right here, which is a major level, and potentially see a bounce off that level. However, if we do bounce here and we start to come up and break out of this consolidation, the really bullish scenario is putting in a wave 3 to about 27.9K, but personally I think it's a less likely scenario. All right guys, that is it. I was in a gala long position. I had 2 entries. I entered right here and rolled it up, and I had a take profit 25% exit, didn't quite make it, and my stop loss was at break even. It hasn't quite hit yet, but very close to hitting the break even stop loss, which is perfectly okay. I mean, breaking even is much better than a loss on a trade, but I may look for a re-entry if we come lower here. We'll have to see what happens. Anyways, big shout out to the Discord. You can get my exact entries, exits, and let me open it up here and take profits. Where's my call for Gala. Yeah, here's my Gala long position, and move my stop loss to break even. And I post my chart analysis in here as well. It's $10 a month for my leverage trade, spot trades. You can see what I'm doing with my HODL all positions. See how the members are doing with the trade calls as well as their own positions here. Some of them are absolutely crushing it, which I love to see. And we have over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. You can sign up through the Patreon link at $10. If you want to trade with me, check out my full link tutorial on Bybit. That's where I do all my trading. Favorite exchange for trading. Highly recommend it. $4,500 in bonuses. And I'll see you in the next video. All right. Peace. Much love.